Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix auto rotate not working on your iPhone device. If you are facing issue on auto rotate feature in your iPhone, then this video is for you. First of all, what you can do is shut down your device for 20 to 30 seconds and then again restart your device, and then it might work for you. But if it is still not working, then open your control center from the top and then turn off the auto rotate option. Now go to the settings and then hit on the display and brightness and scroll down and go to the display zoom and make it to default. Once you do that, if it is not solved still, then go to the general. Scroll down, hit on the transfer or reset iPhone and then reset all settings. This will surely help you to fix this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.